Thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe this channel, guys. This is part 3. So we are going to explain you DGET, Dmax, DMIN, and DSUM. So DGET, this function examines a list of information and produce one result. If more than one result matches the criteria, the error hash num is shown. If no records that matches the criteria, the error hash value is shown. DGET, database range, field name, criteria range, formatting required or not. No special formatting is required. This formula works in every single version of Excel. Dmax, this function examines a list of information and produce the largest value from the specified column. Formula details: Dmax, database range, field name, and then criteria range. Formatting required is not. No special formatting is needed. Very unique formula, guys. I'm telling you, nobody is going to tell you this kind of formula even exist in Excel, but this is true. We have this kind of formula available in Excel. Now move into DMIN. Very unique formula. This function examines a list of information and produce a smallest value from a specified column. Formula meaning very simple. DMIN means formula details, database range, field name, and criteria name. Again, no special formatting is needed for this formula as well. And we have a separate video in which we already explained this formula with 25-30 example. Dollar formula. This function converts a number into a piece of text formatted as currency. Formula details: dollar, number, and then decimal places. Formatting required or not. No special formatting is needed. The result will be shown as a text entry. Very important formula, guys, because we are using this formula in our smartphone. Please use this formula in Excel. You will be surprised. I'm pretty much sure about it. So this is part 3, and our last formula detail is DSUM. Again, very unique formula. I'm pretty much sure in whole YouTube you will get near about 1 or 2 videos regarding DSUM. This function examines a list of information and produce the total. Formula details: DSUM, database range, field name, and then criteria range. No special formatting is needed. I'm pretty much sure that it's like difficult for anyone to know about this formula. So we have a separate videos in which we explain this formula using near about 25 or 30 examples. So this is only just as a detail, normal basic details. Also complete details also available in description box. So you just copy and paste and try to use this formula in your Excel so that you will be understand how this formula works. And we have a separate videos as well in which we already explain this formula using 25, 30, 45 with number of examples. So have a great future, and again, please subscribe this channel. Have a